just finished up breakfast. I haven't found like a breakfast place that does like bacon, eggs, and anything like that. So if you live in Cagayan de Oro, oh, Pancake House. All right, I know. Let me know. Let me know of a place that does like a good breakfast here. Anyways, we are in a cab once again. It's 40 pesos right off the bat. As soon as you hop in, it's 40 pesos. But I think the most expensive cab ride we had was 100 pesos, something like that. Maybe 100 pesos. Like everywhere we're going is under 100 pesos. I guess we're the good guys, and we always tip. We always just give a nice tip. Could we walk? Sure, we could walk, but why? No, we walked pretty good. We walked a lot yesterday, so anyways, I don't know what we're doing. We'll figure something out. You know what? Good job on Kuya here. The traffic's backed up because somebody wants to decide to park in the middle of the road here. Good job, Kuya. You gotta get him moving. He knows he's gonna make money, and he's like, come on, let's get the show on the road.
Know how to estimate the road.
Exactly. Good job, though. Kudos to you. Alright, I don't know how this happened, but somehow we wound up back in SM Super Mall. Now I gotta get to the department store. I gotta find underwear. Right? I know there's underwear where we live, but it's one thing I like. It's good quality. I didn't notice this here until we were in here having dinner with a friend of mine. I didn't notice a giraffe right there. But they got a what do you call it going on? A job fair. This here, this BYO Shark. Anybody know anything about these BYOs? A nice looking vehicle, but I don't know anything about them. So anyways, look, you're gonna get in line for the job fair. I'm going in to do some shopping. All right, I just spoke to the salespeople. They're very nice people. BYD. I'll get it right one of these days.
BYD.
China.
Yes.
China comes from China. A hybrid.
Yes, a hybrid.
Hybrid, and they're 2.1 million pesos. Do you only sell the trucks, or do they have other
We have other
cars and other vehicles?
Like crossover, sedan,
Okay.
SUV.
SUV, sedan, pickup
We
truck.
also have EV, sir, full electric.
Oh, fully electric. But where do you charge it? There's not many charging
We
stations.
have they can charge at home, and they
At
can
home?
charge here at
Yeah.
SM.
But what if you go on a long trip?
Soon, sir, soon.
Soon, but
Soon.
Yeah.
So.
Shells and
Shell.
yeah, Shell.
Okay. All right. I always wonder, what if I go from here to like Luzon? I'm going to run out of juice, right? All right. Thank you very much.
thank you, sir.
Oops, sorry. There it is. I gotta ask. So, all right. It is a good-looking vehicle. It is very nice. 2.1 million, 40,000, give or take, something like that. All right. So while I'm here in CDO in the mall, I am going to take advantage of everything that I haven't had in over a year. All right. I was wondering if they had one of these, and yes, they do, and yes, I will be getting one. A little piece of Cinnabon heaven here, and directly above us, is a Burger King. All right, everybody, we are out for I don't know, it's about around 5 o'clock in the evening. We're out here taking a walk. I want to see what the streets look like in the evening. Right here is a hospital. What is this? A public hospital? Yeah, it's a public hospital right here. Northern Mindanao Public Hospital. We're gonna walk down this street, see what's going on, the action. Boy, they really load these trucks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
11.
What says 11? Hello. They really load the trucks up here. You know, I was wrong because the motorbike is in there. Then they just add the back end onto these trucks. But if you look, they kind of sit on an angle. They kind of tilt towards the back. But cool looking, definitely different. So we're gonna head down this street here behind the hospital. Haven't been down this way, so I couldn't tell you what is down this way. That explains why all the, oh, hang on, backing up. I guess that explains why all the pharmacies are here, right?
Yeah.
Because usually in a hospital, when you go in there and they give you a script or they want to give you medication, you got to buy your medication at the pharmacy. Like the hospitals don't usually have medication in the hospital, right? Look. It depends. I think it depends, but you got a script, you come out here, grab yourself your your medication that is required or that they prescribe you, and here's your pharmacy. It says that's a hospital too right there. We are in, like I said, public hospital. I'm sure there are private hospitals in Cagayan de Oro. That is the Northern Mindanao Medical Center. Is that a different hospital from the other one, huh? I think so. I know this is boring, right? You're just out walking, hoping it don't rain on our head. Hello.
Hi.
Kabulakan Beyond Ornamental 2025. Stumbled across a nice little park here. Every city's gonna have a park, right? That's just a given, but very nice. We got some of the lights on in here. Clean. Look how clean it is. You walk into some cities and they take pride in their parks. Other cities could care less. We got some kind of waltz dancing going on over here. Over here there's some kind of little waltz dance and they're teaching the kids some type of ballroom dancing or something. Nice little park here. Clean, right, Lut?
Yeah.
Very clean. Little stage over there. What's that? We got to get by the I love sign so we can see what we love. What is that for? You know?
That?
Yeah.
That is one of the considered as the hero of the Philippines.
Oh, that's the hero?
Cemetery.
All right. Oh, we got music. There you go. I love Mizor. What's that? That's Razal up there, right? Oh, rat. Oh, we got a rat in the park. You guys see that? Yeah, gotta love it, right? So it's nice to have a public park and stuff, and people can come, they can hang out. I kind of noticed behind me, there was a lady back here. She was offering massages and nails. You got the public hanging out here, and right here they've got chess right on the table. Chessboard set up or checkers set up, and the public here is just enjoying their evening, hanging out and playing checkers, huh? That's pretty cool. You see a bunch of old kuyas here. Well, I wouldn't say a bunch, but it's a mix. It's a mix of everybody playing checkers, or I'm sorry, chess. Chess. Down over there caught my eye, that big white building. It says Boy Scouts of the Philippines. What is that? Huh?
Boy Scout.
Yeah, but what's underneath that? Miss something?
Samis Oriental.
Misamis Oriental Council. Interesting. All right, let's head down. Let's head down this way. See what we can find down this way. This is what it looks like. This is down around the mall area where we're back here. Every evening around this time, it just gets packed full of people. The traffic, the bikes, look at all the bikes. You got the jeepneys in there. You got the taxis in there. I mean, it's a city. It's a city. And look, we got to go over here where everybody's standing because this is, yeah, we're going straight. This is the walk for everybody. Check it out. A lot of traffic. And then in a few hours from now, this will all be calmed down. All right, I was looking because there's no traffic lights aren't working here. I look, dude's right out there. Traffic director out there directing traffic. That's what they do in a big city. Yes, there are traffic lights, but no, they are not working. He's over there. He is over right there. There he is. All right, now we're in an intersection where the traffic lights actually do work. You guys see them. Everybody has to abide by the traffic lights. And there's no countdown. I don't see a countdown on these traffic lights. But I knew we sat here in a taxi when we first got here. And we were probably sitting at the light. And we were first in line for a good 2 minutes. So this is an organized intersection here. But guys, look at the ground. I mean, you do see a little trash, but look how clean it is. That impresses me. That tells me the people of the city take pride in their city. You can still get stink foot, so you definitely got to watch it. But I'm walking down the road and I'm thinking, the beautiful people, Marilyn Manson, you know, the beautiful people, everybody just doing their thing. We're right beside the mall. So that's why there's a gathering of people. I'm going this way, look, the beautiful people. Vendors are hustling their merchandise, their clothing, their food, whatever they got, whatever they're hustling, they are doing it. We got people coming home from school, probably people coming home from college. This is one just small area here in Cagayan de Oro. All right, I know I didn't film this street. I filmed this street the other evening when we came through. I'm gonna, look out. I'm gonna shoot down here and film this street. Hello. Calendarias and restaurants and what else do we got? DB Eating, Snack Time Corner. Hello. Chicken and Pensa Canton and Juicy Red Hot Dogs. 11M Food House. All the same. Hello. Pretty much all the same restaurants and little sari stores. But SM Mall is straight in front of us. Doesn't take, hey my friend, it doesn't, when we leave our hotel, SM Mall's a 10-minute walk. I know, guys. I'm probably boring you by now when it comes to a mall, but this is like the hub of downtown. This is where all the action is. This is where everybody comes, everybody gathers, everybody just socializes. You all know they go to the malls here to get into the air and just hang out. And it hasn't really been that extremely hot out. Right?
Yeah,
nice little breeze, little
of,
overcast.
Like, building are not going to be dead in the Philippines.
Yeah. These malls are always going to be full of lots of people. That's a mango tree, right? What?
Yeah.
Mango tree. I can spot them. But poor Lut, it's not her lucky day. It's buy one, take one for the jewelry here. And I said, Lut, if she was here, I would buy you some jewelry.
That's not.
But there's nobody here.
See, this
poor
one there,
Lut.
That's my sign.
I'm just joking.
That one there.
She's drawn in to the bling bling. Lady Carrot K. Hey, Lady Carrot, what?
Huh?
There is nobody here, Lud. No bling bling for you. Alright, I'm just going to wrap this video up. We didn't really do too much today. Went for breakfast this morning, went to the department store, kind of came back and just relaxed in the little studio apartment we have here. Went out, did a little nice evening walk at the park. You guys seen it. Went to the mall. Where did we eat? What was the place called? Fat Monk at SM Mall. One of you subscribers recommended it. So we went up there. It was good. It was like Asian food. Vietnamese food, Thai food, Indian food. It was a mix of all different Asian food. First time in my life seeing on the menu ostrich. Yeah, they had ostrich. My eyes look dark. It's got to be the lighting. First time ostrich ever seen on the menu. If you've eaten ostrich, let me know. How is it? Is it good? Does it taste like chicken, right? But yeah, we've only been down in the downtown area here. So we really haven't explored out. You know, some of you guys are saying you visited here, you live here, giving great suggestions on where to go. Tomorrow morning, I will be awake watching the Cowboys-Eagles game. And by the time you see this video, we will know who won, all right? I met up with a friend of mine from high school. He's here with his wife and his daughter. He is a die-hard Eagles fan, so we've been going at each other. But anyway, Saturday, we're going to go uptown. We're going to go uptown in the evening. There's a place up there that I was told is the place where a lot of expats go and eat, and it's really good. And I want to check out the uptown. Also, Saturday around noon, we're going to meet up with, some of you guys remember Tuk Tuk Cali. All right, Tuk Tuk Cali was a YouTuber here from California, Filipino, really great guy, passed away a few years ago. His cousin lives here, and he contacted me, and matter of fact, we ran into him in the mall the other day, and we're going to sit down and have lunch with him. But so far, so good. Was on websites here, Facebook websites, apartments for rents, houses for rents, condos for rents. You never know until you actually go look, right? But 15, 20,000, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, fully furnished, on up. So far, so good. This evening, we are getting a massage. I am waiting for the massage people to get here because I'll tell you what, I've done a lot of walking past couple days, and my calves are sore. So anyways, guys, I hope you've been enjoying our visit down here in Cagayan de Oro. We definitely like it. We enjoy it. And got a few more days until we're out of here. So with that being said, thanks for following. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments. Leave comments below. I read everyone, and we'll talk to you later.